Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious baklava bread. We'll cover everything from preparing the dough to drizzling that irresistible honey syrup. This delightful treat brings together the best of both worlds, the comforting texture of bread and the rich, sweet flavors of classic baklava. Get ready to create a truly special dessert that will impress everyone. First, ensure your phyllo dough is properly thawed, ideally overnight in the refrigerator, then for 1 hour at room temperature. Keep the delicate sheets covered with a damp towel to prevent them from drying out and cracking while you work. Melt about 1½ sticks of butter, as you'll need plenty for brushing. Then, generously butter your baking pan, typically a 9 by 13-inch dish, to prepare for the layers. Now, let's build those delicious layers. In a bowl, mix 1 pound of finely chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pistachios, with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Lay 2 to 8 sheets of phyllo dough in your buttered pan, carefully brushing each individual sheet with melted butter. Then, sprinkle a generous, even layer of your spiced nut mixture over the buttered phyllo. Repeat this layering process until all your nuts are used, ending with several buttered phyllo sheets on top. Before baking, use a sharp knife to cut the assembled baklava into your desired shapes, like diamonds or squares. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 35 to 50 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and crisp. While it bakes, prepare your honey syrup. Crucially, as soon as the baklava comes out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled syrup evenly over the hot pastry. Let it cool completely for several hours to absorb all that sweet goodness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.